is Arnaud Rodriguez, and this is my enhancement video for the class CIT 336. This is Enhancement 9. So in this enhancement, I'm going to show you here in the nav bar one of the products that I added images to. In the MISC section, if I go to Mallet here, I can come and see the image of the mallet and the information of it, and also we have a list of thumbnails that were assigned to the mallet product. So first of all, I'm going to show you the validation of the HTML. So we can see we don't have errors. Close this and we can validate the CSS as well, and no errors found here. So the second thing that I have to show you is we can inspect the element here, and we can see inspecting here that the natural is 500 by 317 pixels. So this would be the image, the big image that we're watching. And then if I inspect the thumbnails here, you can see that in the name it already has the TN, and in the natural right here it says 200 by 127, and the other ones have the same sizes. So we're getting the TN, the thumbnails of the database. Okay, so I'm going to show you these thumbnails in the database here in the localhost, the PHP admin. We are seeing the images tables, and first of all, I'm going to show you that the mallet has an ID, an inventory ID of 10, and we are seeing this information. But now, if I show you down here, these ones are the ones that I added, the Anvil 2 and the Seed 2. I had to change the name to be able to upload it through the tool, and they also have an ID of 10. Okay, so I think this is all. I hope it was clear. Thanks for watching.